Hello everyone, I had a request to do a video on the sound of my Yoshimura RS-2 exhaust on my bike. Before I start it up, I want to let you know there's a couple things that, modifications I should say, that will affect the sound, and so if you're comparing apples to apples with other bikes, you just want to take these factors into consideration when you're doing that. First off, I do have a spark arrestor on the Yoshimura exhaust, and then I also have a KLX300 dirt bike snorkel, which basically means it's a bigger snorkel with more air intake at slower speeds. And then I also have an EJK tuner kit that may affect the sound as well, balancing out the air-fuel mixture. I'm not going to do this sound test inside my garage because I feel that the walls in the garage don't really make a good sound test because all the sound kind of reverberates off the walls, and it can make a difference on how it sounds. So I'll pull the bike out the garage. Finally, I'll get questions asking if it's obnoxiously loud. I feel like I can drive around my neighborhood at a low RPM and not irritate my neighbors. But if I need to get a car's attention on my way home from the trail, then I can easily rev it up, increasing the RPMs, and let them know that I'm near and to get off their phone. All right, I'll take the bike outside and start it up.